Laser tools produce a wide range of tools, from ordinary hand tools like spanners and screwdrivers to more specialist items like fuel line pliers, brake pipe clamps and brake pipe flaring tools. We aim to provide the automotive technician with a comprehensive set of tools and equipment to cover every job they are likely to come across.
Today we're going to take a quick look at some of these laser tools to perform some different tasks on this car. Undoing fuel line fittings is much easier and quicker when you have the right tool for the job. This one is for VAG applications. And this one is for Fiat and Vauxhall.
If we are going to split or remove brake pipes and fittings, a flare nut wrench is necessary. This one includes a ratchet which speeds things up. This is the 11mm size, which is suitable for brake pipes. Laser has a full range of ratchet flare nut wrenches from 10mm up to 19mm. This one is particularly useful as it has a flexible head. Look at that.
When changing the front flexi pipe or removing a caliper, we want to keep brake fluid loss under control. These new fluid lock kits are ideal.
There are 3 sizes included in the kit, and the fluid locks are designed for brake pipes, fuel pipes and will also help keep air conditioning pipes free from contamination. They effectively seal off any fluid leaks but will not damage the flared end of the pipe. No more leaks.
Let's have a look at some more of Laser's tools for working on the brake system.
This is the 4976 hose clamp, a quick and effective tool for sealing off the brake flexible hoses. You can also use the 4386 hose clamp set. These can be used on brake flexible hoses and also on rubber fuel pipes and heater hoses. Useful for pre-MOT inspections is this brake pipe corrosion tool. It is used to clean off and check the condition of the metal brake pipes and lets you get into all these nooks and crannies. This pipe has been damaged and is now starting to corrode. So rather than replace the whole pipe all the way forward to the ABS unit, we will make up a new section and connect it to the existing pipe.
The first job is to cut off the corroded portion of pipe. Choose a convenient part of the pipe that we can access easily. This little cutter will do the job, especially when space is restricted.
The Laser 4048 is a comprehensive brake pipe flaring tool that is designed to be used with a bench vise. The deburring tool is used to clean off the inner bore of the pipe after cutting and to prepare the outer edge for the new flare. It can produce single and double flares and includes 4 sizes of clamping block to hold the common brake pipe sizes.
Now that the new section has been made, we will fit a new connector to the existing pipe.
For this we will use the Laser 4938 flaring tool, which is a very neat hydraulic unit that we can use in situ under the car. It can also produce single and double flares and can cater for pipe sizes from 4.75mm to 6mm. Remember to fit the tube nut to the pipe before you make the new flare. That's a perfect flare, all ready to accept the new pipe section that we've just made. All done, and we're now ready to bleed the brakes to finish off. Laser is continually adding new tools to its range to enable the technician to carry out jobs quickly, easily and more efficiently.